Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Peugeot 308. If we go to the telephone there and no telephone connected, there's nothing else on the screen really. Search for devices, it's showing my iPhone disconnected, and over here you'll see there confirm, search, connect and delete. So we click delete. That's the one I wanted to delete, by the way. If it wasn't and there was a list, you would just have to highlight the one you deleted, want to delete, and then click that. That's it. That's how you delete a mobile. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.